Hello,
Hello,
I'm Hassan. Please introduce yourself.
my name is Cindy. I'm 13 years old. I'm from Vietnam. My hobby is playing badminton and swimming.
That's good.
There are four people in my family. There are father, mother, brother, and me.
That's
My
good.
school's name is Quang Trung Secondary School. I'm in grade 8.
Okay, what's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
Who is your math teacher?
Miss Hằng.
Do you like her?
Yes, I do.
Why?
Because she beautiful.
She's beautiful. Okay, that's good. Just like you, okay? Okay, let's look at this. We are talking about shopping, okay? Do you often go shopping?
Yes, I do.
How many ways can you shop?
I can go shopping in two ways.
2 ways? Okay, let me know.
Online shopping and offline shopping.
Okay, that's okay. What's your favorite shop?
My favorite shop is Lanchi Supermarket.
Where is Lunchy?
It's in Tam Diep City.
Good. How often do you go shopping?
I often go shopping twice a week.
Twice a week.
Yes.
What do you buy when you go shopping?
I buy groceries and other stuffs.
So that's good. Okay, who can go to Lunchy?
Everybody.
Good. Do you like Lunchy?
Yes.
Why do you like Lunchy?
I like Lanchi because the place is neat.
Okay.
The uh,
The place is neat. Okay, that's okay. Okay, let's move on here. We have 2 ways of shopping, online and offline.
Offline.
Which one do you prefer?
Online shopping
Why?
because it's convenient
Okay, it's
and
convenient
fast.
and faster. Okay, that's good. Let's look at this. What's this?
Hurricane,
This,
thunder,
this,
forest fire,
and this.
tornado.
Good. Can you tell me about your favorite food? What's your favorite food?
Chicken
Chicken? Why do you like chicken?
because it's delicious.
It's delicious. What about your favorite color?
My favorite color is yellow.
Yellow. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, good job. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Goodbye.
Bye.